Jordan. Normally you see me always do a grapevine on the side, or this side, top and the bottom, or on the left hand side with florals coming down to the right. But yeah, I want to do something just right here in this general area. So we're going to start off making our bow, and I'm just going to make a tail, pinch, make a loop, pinch, and twist. And I really like this half bow because if you struggle with making bows, you can always make a half bow. Okay, so I really want this right in the middle. Making a tail, pinch, make a loop, pinch, and twist. So this is what you should have so far. Your 2 ribbons, 2 loops just like this. Next, we're going to go ahead and I want to add a third one. I want to bring in some of this lime green in. What's going on, y'all? Y'all, they have seen me all day today. Lots of people have seen me all day today. Okay, so we put our 3 1.5 inch ribbons together, and notice how they're not all the same size loops. They're all varying in sizes. Okay. Okay, so just really layering those ribbons on top of each other and making tails different lengths, loops different lengths. So y'all, that's what we should have. So I'm just layering those ribbons one on top of each other. Getting my garland tie, lifting up my middle finger. So yeah, look how pretty this bow looks. Of that. Oh y'all, that tail. Ugh. What happened? There we go. Look how pretty that bow looks, just right there in the middle. So now I want to come in with my greenery and my stems. I want to move that bow, those loops and those tails just out of my way a little bit. That way I can come through and glue in my greenery. So that's what we have so far. Like I said, I still want to see a lot of my grapevine. And that's just 2 pieces of greenery in there. Now I do have some that are left, so I am going to add those in as well. So that's what we have so far. Now I am going to add another piece right back behind that bow, and I'm going to add the smaller piece that I have. Yes. If you're looking for me on YouTube, just go to the Deco Exchange YouTube page, and that's where you'll be able to find me. I might just end up using these yellow ones. Let me turn this around to face me and see. So I'm kind of just playing around and putting these stems in there which way I want them to go. So now that I've done this though, y'all, I really don't want to have to take those Gerbers out. So I am going to go back through and glue them in where they're at. So now I did go through and I placed these Gerbers where I kind of wanted them. That's really where I want these Gerbers. And I'm going to cut the stems that have come through the back off. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through and I'm going to put some glue on them. I stuck them in there just to make sure that that's where I wanted them. But I am going through and adding some hot glue to those stems. This is exactly what we have so far. So next, I'm going to take my yellow 60919, fluff that out. I want this directly right back in the back of this. Something just like that. Come right back through. Now I have some white leftover tulips from yesterday. And today, let's just mix these in there. So I'm just adding these white tulip to kind of just make a pop. Okay, so we added in those tulips. And I think I'm actually going to go ahead and add some of those white Gerbers, y'all. I need to fill in some more in this general area. Just like that one more towards the back, but I'm going to cut that up into some smaller pieces. 1, 2, and then this one's going to stay like this. Cute little Gerber daisy spring wreath. So look how pretty this looks. And look at the bow.